Okay, so I'm going to make a video on how to change the spark plug. Keep in mind, however, I have a 4-cylinder inline, so let's see how long it takes me to do this. Let's focus right there. This looks like 10 mil. Basic tool set. Take this freaking beauty cover off. It doesn't really serve a purpose. Oh, by the way, you want to do this when the engine is nice and cold. At least sitting overnight, because metal expands. And when metal expands, you can't take the plug off. Alright, so this is the fuel rail. Might actually be this side over here. Okay, so it is actually back here. This is the fuel rail. Take this plastic cover off. I'm gonna change the camera angle. Okay. So my plugs is actually here. And you can tell I have a coilover ignition and not a distributor. If this is a distributor, this will be attached to something circular. Okay, so let's keep going. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this little 10 mil bolt right here. Just like that, should be easy to come off. Off, and then you're gonna disconnect this right here. This piece, I'm trying to do it one-handed, just like that. This comes off. All right, so here you have your little coil pack. Okay, not too bad. Put it right here. Now I do have a special tool. This little special tool will let me pivot down in here. This is where your spark plug is. As you can see, it's right there. Put it in there. Twist it off. Remember, you want to do this when the engine is cold, because heat expands. Yeah, she's on there, but she's coming off. You also want to use a spark plug socket for this, because you need a spark plug socket, right? I ended up using this to take it off. But here you have it. Your spark plug. So realistically, that took me 5 minutes to do this. So if you think this is worth $1,000, yeah, no.